Hi, it's Shaun here from Butcher Box, and today I'm going to show you how to make steak frites in under 20 minutes. In front of me here, I've got everything you need to make steak frites for two. I've got two lovely Angus picanha steaks. I've got these lovely fries. I've got our butter and thyme for cooking the steaks, and of course, this lovely green chimichurri. A little bit of oil over the fries. Let's get a pinch of salt. It's important to season the fries before, in my opinion, because if you just cook these and try and season them afterwards, the salt just bounces off of them. Spread out, let's chuck it in. Okay, so while our fries are in the air fryer, it's time to season and cook our steaks. Okay, these are nice and evenly coated in oil. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, and of course a little bit of salt on the edges as well. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Now with rump cap, as you can see, there's a nice fat cap on there. I'll always stand up my steaks first and I'll let them do their thing for about a minute. Okay, so it's been in there for about a minute and our cap is nicely cooked. Now it's time to put our steaks down, give them a good push down, make sure they're nice and flat. We'll let that go for another minute or so. They've been in there for about a minute, it's time to flip them over. When I flip them over, I'll always try and put them in a different spot because that area of the pan where they were has cooled down. These have been in for about a minute now. As you can see, we've got a nice sear on the other side. Time to take these out. Have a look at that. We're going to put them back into the pan on a much lower heat. It's time to drop in our butter, our garlic, and our thyme. So now's the fun part. We're just going to baste steaks, and we've got to move fast here so we don't burn our butter. So we basted them for about 30 seconds on this side. I'm going to turn them over and do the exact same thing. Okay, so I think these steaks feel about done. All right, now it's time to let these rest. Okay, now it's time to slice our steaks. They've been pretty well rested. All right, let's see how it went. I'm pretty happy with that. Now it's time to put it on the plate. All right, our fries are looking good, nice and golden. Okay, now it's time to season our steaks. Just a lovely little sprinkle, not too much. And then this is when I like to put the pepper on. Right, so now it's time for our lovely chimichurri that comes out of our friends at Joo Chiat Foods in Australia. There you have it, steak frites, easy as.